I believe I saw this on Facebook. Yeah. Oh my! I think there's a guy in South Jersey. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh my goodness. My bike looks similar to this, but this is the touring version. But
I think he lives about an hour.
yeah. I think he sells the kit to do this. That's amazing. What is this? What is? Oh, bro. Yeah, he got the little thing in there, and oh, that's dope. Oh man, that is amazing. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take a bunch of them. Yep, that's the dude from the Facebook. I knew I recognized this. All right. Hey, this Concorde looks pretty nice though. Not for nothing.